Hello traders, welcome to my channel. If you like my video, please like, subscribe by click the button and share this video with your friends. Your support can inspire me to make more videos to help you all. Thank you. Hello traders. Today I will introduce with you some new rules, new tips that I followed for today trading. See, actually, I have started with $20. My strategy was I will place continuously three trade with increasing that amount like 20, 40, and 60. So every trade I will increase $20, whatever I'm getting loss or profit. So let's analyze now every candle. Actually, uh, I forget to recorded this video while I trading, but still she just complete the trading and see 1 minute before that trading was completed. See, let me explain the trade. First trade I lost. I thought this is the breakout candle and there is strong sellers. That's what I place lower option, but I have lost because uh, uh, suddenly strong buyers entry. Okay, so I lost. And next trade, see next candle I have increased the amount $40, uh, 20 to 40. And when I saw that sudden buyer entry and close at the level where that candle got force, so my observation was that next candle will be a bullish candle, and that's what I place here again lower option, and I have on this trade. And this is my third trade. When I saw that there was a strong buyers and momentum is a momentum meaning to me that downtrend. And see, if you observe this single candle, then get down, single candle get down, but see this candle still has some gap to fill it. That's what I place lower option, and here I place $60. So my first round was completed with profit, a few profit like 34 and 52. I mean 86. So I have lost 20. So total I have earned like 64. Okay, let's start that next round. Then when I saw that candle close below that the level, see there was some buyers, but candle close below that the level, it means that next candle would be a bearish candle. So I place again $20 lower option, and I have on this trade. And this my fifth trade, and still I saw uh, strong buyers, sorry, strong sellers, though there has some rejection from buyer, but that next level is like, see, if you observe from this area buyer got force. So I thought that market should not be turned to off before hitting that level. That's what I place lower option with $40, and I have on this trade. And finally I have lost this last trade because uh, see, when I observed that the market should not be back from before this level, market exactly touched this level and got rejection. But in this situation, most of the time that next candle also should be a bearish candle, and it should be close here. And this is about 70% time. So and this is the 30% time you will lose your trade. So I got lost this trade, and my this round I have lost $20 because see 20 and 40. $60 profit, but $60 loss. So here I have got some losses. Okay, and this is the third round, and this is my seventh trade. When I saw that buyer got candle got rejection from buyer's area, and still there should be a bearish candle, but instead of bearish, when I saw on bullish candle, it means buyer wants to continue the market. So I place again higher option. Now I place higher option with $20, and this is my next trade. When I saw still the candle is candle closing is above than the previous candle, and that candle has more rejection on the lower part. So I place again higher option, and I have on this trade too. This is my number 8 trade, and this is my last trade. When I saw that candle is becoming weaker, and on this candle has upper rejection, and trend also is a downtrend, so I place lower option with $60. So finally I own this round. So let me calculate this. Total I have lost $80, and I have won like uh, 50 and 30, 80, 80, 20, 100, then like 50, 150, and here you can see 80. So I made around 200 plus. So in this way also you can try, but when you will try in this way, you should have at least 70% winning ratio. Otherwise you cannot get a profitable trader. See, if you see this, I have placed total 9 trade, and I lost 2 trade. It means you can consider as a 70 or 75% winning ratio. So in this way you can also get more profit. But if you place like every trade like $20 or $10, what will be this result? Like you lost $40, and you lost 10 and 10 $20, but you will win only like uh, $70. So only $50, but I made about $230. Okay. So one thing is, before place any trade, you should observe the market movement, candle behavior, everything. Actually, this is my bad luck. I got losses. Otherwise, I would win this trade. Mostly, 70% time this candle would be a bearish candle, and the candle should be close here. 70%, more than 70% time the candle should be close here. If you see this kind of candle uh, in any support or resistance, if candle, for example, this is the support level, this line, and candle close like this, then the next candle you can expect a buyer entry. And if this is a zone, and candle close like this, you can place lower option all the time. Maybe few time you will lose your trade, like 20 to 30% time you will lose your trade, but 70 to 80% time you will win. Please like and share the video, and please subscribe if you are watching the video for the first time. Thank you so much.